Welcome back everyone to another episode of Cooking with JJ. In this week's episode, we're traveling to Korea in my kitchen, and I'm going to be making a very delicious Kimchi Jeon, which is a Korean pancake. Of course, I'm putting my own little twist on things, so stay tuned and find out what those are. And there's going to be some fun facts sprinkled in the mix, and Shimmy has agreed to join me in the end for the final taste test, so stay tuned all the way through. I'm really excited to get started, and of course, enjoy it in the end. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! Get a chili chopped up here. Get the spring onion going. We'll cube our smoked tofu here. Got a little over a third of a cup here. This is the kimchi I'm going to be using. It's vegan, no fish products inside. I'll measure out a cup's worth and we're going to chop it up. And then you're going to want to add a little bit of liquid as well to the mix, just for the extra flavor. Oops, and I'm making a mess already. What else is new? I think there's going to be enough liquid, but we'll see once we chop it up, because we might need to add a little bit more for the mix. Ah! For those of you who are not afraid of messes, this is good. For those of you who are afraid of messes, prepare yourselves. Okay. Got some mint and some basil. It's my own personal touch. I'm going to use 1¼ cups worth of gluten-free flour. And just use the rest of this one first. Okay, almost there here. Okay, our 1/4 cup. And our teaspoon of garlic powder we're gonna add. We're gonna add a teaspoon of onion powder. Add a touch of salt. I have a teaspoon of gochujang and some cold water here. I'm just gonna mix it together. It might be a little tricky, but we'll get it all mixed up, don't worry. Might need another spoon to break it up here. Mix it all up. Okay. Add in this. I think there's enough juices from that. Whew. And we'll add in our tofu. Yes, we can afford to add a little bit more of the kimchi juice, probably about a tablespoon's worth. Get some oil in our pan here. We have our batter here. I'm going to spread it out. Koreans say kimchi jeon, and other jeon is best enjoyed on a rainy day because the sizzling sound reminds them of the sound of rain. This is often enjoyed with rice wine such as makgeolli or soju. And this dish is also considered a hangover cure because of the spiciness, savoriness, and the greasy nature of the dish. But it can also be considered a hangover cause since it's enjoyed with the rice wine commonly. It is known as anju as well. So those are dishes that are enjoyed with alcohol. Jeon is anything that has batter and is pan fried. Edges are starting to firm up. Got our other side frying up nicely. Time to get everything plated nicely. What we're gonna do is cut it into triangles. Sprinkle on our herbs. Now it's time to serve it. So it's time to serve it and try it.
It looks similar to the pancakes they used to sell at this place at Village by the Grange.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So really as a kid.
This is our kimchi jeon. Wait, there's a sauce to go with it.
Right. I knew that.
It's right there, but I'll get it. Is that good? I think that's good enough. Time to try it. He gets the first bite.
Nice. Good stuff. It's very similar. That's really funny.
Similar?
There's a Chinese restaurant, Village by the Grange. It was like green onion pancakes or something.
Of course, I'm gonna put some chilies on mine. So it was a Chinese restaurant? Now this is a Korean pancake, but maybe there is one. Leave a comment below if you know of a similar Chinese pancake. We're interested to hear about it. I mean, he's tried it. Got the salty, got a savory flavor, a little bit of spice, and a nice level of sweetness with the sauce in the mix.
I'm ready for seconds.
Ready for seconds. All right. So there you have it, everyone. A delicious recipe to add to your recipe booklets with my personal little spin on things. I hope you've enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me a line in the comments below. Let me know if you're gonna try this out or if you tried something similar out. I'm interested to hear about the vegan versions, of course. Remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the little bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. There's gonna be a new video popping up every Monday at 12 noon Eastern, so you don't want to miss it. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit.